Alright, in this video, I am going to tell you about some of the named genes and mode of inheritance of some common conditions. Just pay attention, there are certain things which I have highlighted here in yellow. This is for those only for those who are preparing for AIMS or PGI exam. So what is important for FMG and NEET PG, things which are not highlighted. Okay, first just quick revision for you. Mode of inheritance of Lynch syndrome. What is Lynch syndrome? Lynch syndrome is hereditary non-polyposis colon cancer. It is autosomal dominant. This is very important. You get one question from mode of inheritance in every exam. Familial adenomatous polyposis, again it is autosomal dominant. Hereditary breast and ovarian cancer. Hereditary breast and ovarian cancer mode of inheritance is autosomal dominant. Hereditary diffuse gastric cancer is also autosomal dominant. Factor 5 lead-in mutation. Factor 5 lead-in mutation is autosomal dominant. Hemophilia A. Hemophilia A is X-linked recessive. Hemophilia B. It is also X-linked recessive. G6PD deficiency anemia, X-linked recessive. Long QT syndrome. Long QT syndrome can be autosomal dominant. It can also be autosomal recessive. Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome, anyone? It is autosomal dominant. Familial Mediterranean fever. It is autosomal recessive. Hemochromatosis. Anyone? Autosomal recessive. Alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency, autosomal recessive. Cystic fibrosis, autosomal recessive. Neurohypophyseal diabetes insipidus. Neurohypophyseal diabetes insipidus, it is autosomal dominant. Familial hypocalciuric hypercalcemia, autosomal dominant. Polycystic kidney disease, adult type is autosomal dominant. Infant type is autosomal recessive. Nephrogenic diabetes insipidus. Nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, it can be X-linked. It can also be autosomal recessive. Malignant hyperthermia. Malignant hyperthermia is autosomal dominant. Hyperkalemic periodic paralysis. Hyperkalemic periodic paralysis, it is autosomal dominant. Duchenne and Baker muscular dystrophy, these are X-linked recessive. Wilson disease is autosomal recessive. So this is like some important disease. Expecting one short question in exam from these 22 diseases. Very, very important. If they are not asking you about the mode of inheritance, that what else they can ask? What else they can ask is the name of gene. So what genes are associated with Lynch syndrome? The name of gene in Lynch syndrome is MLH1, MSH2. This question came already. MSH2, MSH6, MSH6, PMS2. These are genes associated with Lynch syndrome. Many genes, remember at least MSH2. Familial adenomatous polyposis, one gene, that is APC gene, adenomatous polyposis coli gene. Hereditary breast and colon cancer, BRCA1, BRCA2. BRCA1 gene, BRCA2 gene. Hereditary diffuse gastric cancer, gene is CDH1. CDH1. Factor 5 lead-in mutation is due to clotting factor number 5. Hemophilia A is due to clotting factor number 8. Hemophilia B, clotting factor number 9. Hemophilia A is known as classical hemophilia. Hemophilia B is Christmas disease. G6PD deficiency is due to G6PD. Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Long QT syndrome. This includes more than 10 gene. More than 10 gene. I want you to remember at least 2. So there are more than 10 gene. At least remember the 2 important gene. One is KCNQ1. KCNQ1 and SCN5A. SCN5A important. Marfan syndrome. It is FBN1. Familial Mediterranean fever. It is MEFV. MEFV. Hemochromatosis, name of genus HFE. HFE. Alpha 1 antitrypsin. Alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency in the name of genus Serpina 1. Cystic fibrosis, CFTR. Neurohypophyseal diabetes insipidus, AVP. Gene is AVP. Familial hypocalciuric hypercalcemia, it is CASR. CASR. Polycystic kidney disease, it is PKD1, PKD2, PKHD1. Nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, name of genus AQP2, aquaporin 2 and AVPR2. Malignant hyperthermia, it is CACNA1S, CACNA1S, CACNA1S. One more gene is there, RYR, that is ryanodine receptor 1. Hyperkalemic periodic paralysis, here it is SCN4A. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, name of genus DMD. Wilson disease, it is ATP7B. ATP7B. So this is like I have extracted some important diseases and some possible new emerging MCQs in exam. Mode of inheritance and associated gene important. Thank you so much.